Having this question 4, let's continue with it. We have an arithmetic progression of first term 7 and last term 43. Given that the sum of all terms is 250, find the number of terms and the common difference. To find the number of terms n, okay, how can we find this? We know that sum of n is equals to what? N all over 2 into what? First term plus last term. Do you know this formula? And n being the number of terms. Okay, hence we are going to have 250 times 2 multiplied by 2, that will be 500, is equals to what? N into what? A plus L, that is 43 plus 7, that will be equals to what? 50. That is it. Okay, at this point you can find for n, which implies n is equals to what? 550, that is equals to 10. The next question is to find what? The common difference, that's the d. What is that d even? We know that what? U of n is equals to what? A plus n minus 1 out of d. We also know that L, that's the last term, is equals to what? A plus n minus 1 out of d. Okay, here n being the term here. Okay, here our n is equivalent to what? In the number, that is n1 the first term, n2 the second term. But in this other case, we take into consideration what? The number of terms, since n is equals to the last term. Okay, here you take into consideration the number of terms and it's automatically equals to 10. But in this other case, u of n is equals to a plus n minus 1 out of d. We take in consideration the term in question. Here we can just say it's a 10th term, but since we know already it, because if you say 1 minus 1 is 0, the first term will be a, the second term you can do it. You can already find the common difference by doing that, but since you don't know the second term, that will be a bit difficult. Using this other method, since we know already this last term, okay, and we know already the number of terms, we can easily find d. Hence our L is equals to what is our last term? 43 is equals to what is our a? 7 plus what is this? 10 minus 1 out of what? D. Hence, which implies we are going to have 9d is equals to what? 43 minus 7, that is what? That will be 6, that is 36. Okay, 9d is equals to 36, then d is equals to what? That will be equals to 4. Okay, 36 divided by 9 is equals to 4. If you take 3 here, there is 1, 2, 3 again, that will be equals to 4. Okay, our d is equals to 4. Hence, we can just say we made it. See in this other question, that is question number 5. Or question number 4 sub 2.